What is up, you guys? AJ Carbix here, back with another video, and today we are going to be opening, yes, National Treasures Baseball 2021. There's going to be 8 cards per box. This is the first time I've ever opened a National Treasures, so not really sure what to expect, but I'm really excited for this, so let's get right into it. So how this is going to work is I am going to get the first card, first 4 cards, and then my brother is gonna go and he's gonna open, or not open, he's just gonna show the next 4 cards. And okay, so this is now plastic. I believe last year they had a wood box. Yes, this is not wood anymore, I don't think. Yeah, okay, so oh my, here we go. National Treasures. There it is. Okay. Let's open this. Could you go 2 spacers? We need some spacers, so. All right, here we go. Okay, we're just going to use 2 cards for this because I'm not sure where our spacers are. Okay. Okay.
I got 2 spacers.
Thank you. Okay. Let's put it up here. And let's cover that up real quick. Okay. Let's flip it over and then cover that up. That's going to be our booklet at the back there. Looks like we have, I believe, a prank plate. Okay, here we go. First card, National Treasures. It's going to be Mitch Carver out of 99 patch, 7 of 99. Pick that up real quick. Nice card. Nice start. Okay, next card. Have a bat here of Ryne Sandberg, 90 of 99. Another cool one there. Ryne Sandberg. Hall of Fame materials, class of 2005. Nice. Okay, next card. It's going to be a double patch here of Jeff Bagwell, numbered to 99 also. Another nice one there. No rookies yet. Okay. And my last card. Oh, I think we have an older card here. So, hang on. Let's get this one. Okay. Yes, it's a Hall of Fame patch, and we have a redemption behind it. Okay, Hall of Fame. I saw the Hall of Fame logo. Hall of Fame materials. It's going to be Bobby Doerr out of 99. Okay. So that is going to wrap it up for me. My brother's going to go now. We're not going to stop the video because I want to make sure it's legit and don't want you guys to think that we're faking this. I can't get this. Hang on. Let me get a bigger sleeve here. Okay, there we go. So that is going to wrap it up for me, as I said. And now my brother's going to go. We're not going to stop the video. Here we go. Okay. Now I'm up. This card Oh, I picked up 2 cards.
There's a redemption. It's a redemption.
Here, I'm gonna take this card right here. I'm just gonna take this card because I put 3. All right, I took the two cards out. It's a redemption. It's upside down. Redemption, baseball, signatures, names, hollow gold.
That's one of the hollow.
Card number 7, Daz Cameron. Daz Cameron. Signature names, hollow gold. Card number 7. All right. This one here. All right. Our next card. It's upside down. Auto. Jesus Sanchez. Auto. Numbered to 99. 13 out of 99. Wow. Alright. Moving on to the next card. Put this under here. This is a printing plate.
Oh, it's a printing plate.
It's going to be an auto.
An auto printing plate? Okay.
Auto patch.
Davy Garcia. Oh,
Davy Garcia.
1 of 1.
Davy Garcia, 1 of 1. Patch. Auto. Wow. It's a nice card right there.
Jeez.
Don't think I have a big enough sleeve for that. So that's a huge card right there. Wow.
You can fit in the top loader?
Maybe. Alright. Moving on to the next card. My second to last card. It's going to be Hall of Fame signatures.
Ooh.
It's going to be Reggie Jenkins. Number 10 out of 25 auto. That one's a pretty low numbered right there. Alright. Moving on to the booklet here.
It's the last card?
Yes, this is the last card. The booklet.
No, it's not the last card. Oh, wait, maybe.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is.
It is the last card. Numbered 50 out of 99. Let me focus. 50 out of 99. Rookie jumbo material. Dalton Jeffries. Dalton Jeffries patch auto. That's a nice one right there. Oh, so that was pretty nice right there. So that's going to be it for the day. It's going to wrap it up. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Bye.